Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Shift UI social apps inside. Today we need to create here the story tabs. We need to develop this UI inside the Shift UI. First of all, we need to create here the app bar, then after we need to search bars, and after we need to brand horizontal list display here, and after we need to grid inside we need to displaying the story user story images we need to displaying here. Like this UI we need to create inside the Shift UI. This UI are now developing in the Flutters. Need to run this app and now need to convert into the Flutter app. First of all, so need to see here the create here the new folders inside the view and to give this here the names as the story. Like this, give this here names and to create here the story tab. Create new file and to copy here the chat view. This is that here the brand array and to give this here the story array and to give this already prepared this array and to set this here the array. My group no needs. Set this here the text fields placeholders need to set here. Search friends or the username select this need to this here. Find the move this here filter buttons no needs now. Also need to give this here the name as a friend. To give this here the now need to this here the slash this grid and to set this here the name story. Like this set here the UI image need to give this here the page as the bottom need to set this here bottom insets. Now this is the UIR the prepare done and now need to create here the column variables. is equal to give this here item that here spacing CRA that here create here the lazy we grids need to develop here and to give this here the columns and also setting spacing this here 8. Now we need to set this here. Also we need to give this here the paddings that here ins. Now we need to create here the for each this and to give this here the story array. Give this here the indexed set here and to give this here the count is. Now need to get this here the story tells UI you need to develop here. First of all so need to needs here the story object, get here the story array. Inside you need to get here the index of you as need to get here string that value need to get this here not get and to give this optional value set here. Now we need to create here the that stack we need to develop this here and we need to create here the image to give this here as object that as a as also need to value and to resizables need to set this here scale to fill and to set here the expect active skip and to set here the mode set like displaying this UI here that here bottom padding is here the now into alignment that is a bottom Now need to create here the stack, vertical stacks, need this here and to this here. First of all, need to set here 40 and to set here the name, set here the font, custom font, set here the regulars and to give this here font size 13 like this. We need to give this here. Also need to give here foreground colors, secondary text need to this here, this set here the E, line limits need to set here the one is set here. Here 30. Now we need to create here, copy this here and to create here with this here the like this set here to set here the spacing here like this here the displaying this UI and here displaying goods. Now need to configure this UI inside here the main tabs. Now need to go and to give this here the story, you need to give this like here and to check here working goods or not. Now this is the displaying goods, no any issue. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new here, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.